Hi, I'm Bhavna Narula, working with Magic for last 16 years, currently working as Associate Director Management Group. It has been a very exciting and satisfying journey so far. I started as a lead developer and now working as Associate Director, looking at the role of delivery assurance and compliance head, and also taking care of operational excellence through automated applications. In these years, I have made a lot of digital learning products and platforms for customers, which has indeed helped the students and teachers in transforming the way they learn across geographies. In this fantabulous journey of 16 years, I got a lot of support from my mentors and managers. I would like to thank Mr. Sanjay Kabra, our CEO, and also Mr. Aki Kamdar, our CEO, in believing in me and giving me opportunities to see great heights. The most exciting part working at Magic is flexibility and openness. It's long back since I was hired, but on the tips that I would like to give to people is stay calm, confident, and always look at and listen to the questions first and then try to answer them. Additionally, you should always talk about your key achievements, key learnings, and the work that you have done. The important deciding factor for joining Magic at that time was the education domain. There were very less companies from this location working in education domain. Additionally, I liked the way I was interviewed. The entire interview panel was quite structured in the way they interviewed me. In addition, they also were very integrated to the core values of Magic. The culture for any organization is built by the people of the organization. So in our organization, I would like to say that we are a very young organization because we maintain a good percentage of young people, and hence the aura, the positivity that they bring in, and the enthusiasm and energy which makes everyone's growth very easy at Magic. A positive and a growth-oriented work culture achieved through collaboration and innovation in whatever we do. The flexible hours and the hybrid mode of working helps us in maintaining the work-life balance. After spending 16 years of my life at Magic, I still feel the same energy, same enthusiasm in taking up new challenges. Magic gives you opportunities to work and also support you in taking the lead in them, and then appreciate your achievements. Magic is a place where you can learn and grow with the organization. So outside Magic, I am a very family oriented person. I love spending time with my family. Especially I love leisure time with my daughters, which makes me which gives me an opportunity to spend a lot of time with them and understanding them better and build a strong bond as a parent. I love cooking, and on weekends generally I prepare a lavish breakfast for my family and we have it together.